Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to introduce you to this brand that I've been using since some time now, and I genuinely quite love them. In this video I'm going to be talking about these wipes from this brand known as Kleenowipe. Now I know we all think of wipes as something which will only remove your makeup, and you just use them at the end of the day and you're done with your day, and then you need to wash your face and all of that stuff. But in this video I'm going to take you through the various types of wipes that Kleenowipe has to offer, and we'll also see how these wipes are not just wipes, they are wipes plus skincare benefits. Each one of them, there are 3 variants that they have, and each one of them has a different purpose, and they don't just remove your makeup, they do take care of your skin while you're removing makeup too. So I'm going to first show you the 3 different types of wipes that Kleenowipe has to offer. I have each one of them with me, and the first one is the micellar wipe. So this is the first one. This is the blue variant, and these are your classic makeup remover wipes. These are quite big, they're quite soft, and the best part about the packaging is that you pull from any angle, just one wipe is going to come out, so you don't tend to contaminate the wipes that are there inside the packaging. And these wipes are much wetter than any other wipe brand that are available in the market. So if you do this, you will have some liquid on your hand, so that the wipes, the water content or the liquid content for makeup removal and skincare is quite high in these wipes. And one wipe removes a lot of makeup, and the micellar ones is especially made for these offer the best makeup removal amongst the 3 that we'll talk about. And these are good to be used for brides on their wedding day, like after the wedding of course, and even otherwise on days when you're wearing heavy makeup, say you're going to a wedding, a party, and you tend to wear high definition full-on makeup. These wipes are really good. Kleenowipe's wipes are made in Singapore or Vietnam, and they're made in a very eco-conscious way. Also these offer the cleansing, toning, moisturizing benefits, so these are not very drying on your skin. Plus these are hypoallergenic, pH balanced, and alcohol free, so they're not going to irritate your skin. And the best part is that you do not need to wash your face after you have used these wipes. For a busy mom like me, it's best to use these wipes after a long day, because there are times when I reach home with my baby and I don't have the time to wash my face, remove my makeup, and do my cleansing, toning, moisturizing regime. So just using these wipes takes care of the makeup as well as the skincare for the night. The next 2 variants, and these have been introduced, these variants are new in the Indian market. The first one is the exfoliating and cleansing wipe. Now this is something which is very different, very unique, and I have not seen this previously in the market. These are textured wipes. These are exfoliating wipes, the green ones. So these have a textured surface on one side and a smooth surface on the other side, so you are exfoliating while you are removing your makeup. So you can use this side and you are good to go. Again, something which I like to use either in the mornings before my makeup when I'm traveling, or I do use this in the evening after I've done on the days when I'm wearing heavy makeup. These are really good at removing all your waterproof makeup, including a waterproof mascara and lip makeup product. I really love the convenience that comes with these wipes, because not only are you removing your makeup, if you're using the green one, you're also exfoliating. So there are times when you want to exfoliate your face on the go, when you're traveling, especially when you're traveling for a destination wedding, or even otherwise. There are days when you're feeling lazy but you want to exfoliate, and you don't have the time to do the whole exfoliating with a scrub kind of a regime. Then why not? I mean, pick up one of these wipes and exfoliate, remove your makeup, do everything, do all the cleansing in one go. The third one, and one of my favorites, in fact I don't know, I can't really pick one favorite of the 3, but again a very new thing in the Indian market are these charcoal wipes. These are Detox and Purifying wipes, and these are black in color. So these are infused with charcoal, and as we all know, charcoal is a really good skincare ingredient, especially in the kind of polluted environments that we are living in, especially in Delhi. Having the benefits of charcoal in your skincare regime is always welcome. In fact, these wipes are so big that sometimes when I'm wearing light makeup, I like to cut these up into two, and half the wipe will also take off all my makeup, and it saves time, effort and money. So these are very economical in the long run, and especially if you're wearing light everyday makeup, you can cut it up into two and you're good to go. I mean, why not? And these charcoal ones, they draw out impurities from your skin, any dead skin cells, any oil that is sitting on a surface, anything that's clogging your pores. These will detoxify your skin instantly, while of course they will remove the makeup, whatever you're wearing. I think you should all go ahead and try these wipes from Kleenowipe Wipes. These are fabulous at removing makeup, but they don't just remove your makeup, they offer these skincare benefits which no other brand in the market does. The black one, these are charcoal wipes, they detoxify your skin. The green ones, these are exfoliating ones with a textured surface, so you get to exfoliate your skin while you're cleaning it. And the blue one, these are micellar wipes. They're very, very good at removing the heaviest of makeup. So take your pick. I would suggest that you pick up all three and use each one of them as and when you require, detoxification, exfoliation, or hardcore makeup removal. So that was it from my side on Kleenowipe. Product links are going to be in the description box down below. Don't forget to check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.